When considering Taxify by Sovos, there are several important things to know before making the purchase. If you're looking for a sales tax software that's reliable, streamlined, and efficient, this might be a solid option, but it's essential to weigh it against other market leaders like Avalara and TaxJar. Let's dive into 12 key things to consider before buying. First off, Taxify offers a simple user interface, making it easy for small and medium businesses to integrate sales tax management without a steep learning curve. This is especially important if you're used to more complex platforms from competitors. Next thing, Taxify's pricing is competitive, especially for companies that don't have high transaction volumes. This is where it stands out compared to some alternatives that can be quite expensive at lower usage levels. However, it's essential to check if your business needs fall within their pricing structure to avoid paying for unused features. The third thing to note is Taxify's automation capabilities. It automates sales tax calculations, which can save you hours in manual work. However, compared to competitors like Avalara, the automation might be slightly more limited in handling complex tax scenarios. Next, Taxify supports all major U.S. states and integrates with multiple e-commerce platforms, including Shopify and WooCommerce. If your business operates globally or across state lines, it's crucial to check if it supports your specific jurisdiction needs. TaxJar, for example, tends to offer broader support for international markets. The fifth thing to keep in mind is how Taxify integrates with accounting systems. While it does integrate well with QuickBooks and Xero, some competitors provide more seamless connections with a wider range of software, which might be necessary depending on your existing systems. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, tax reports. Taxify offers detailed tax reports that can save time during audits. These reports are not only clear, but also customizable. Still, for those who want more advanced reporting and analytics, you might want to explore competitors like Avalara, which offers additional reporting tools that go deeper into your business data. The seventh thing is customer support. Taxify's support team is responsive, but it may not have the 24/7 availability or specialized help that competitors like Avalara or TaxJar can offer. If your business operates in multiple time zones or needs immediate assistance, this could be a concern. Next, the software supports sales tax returns in most states, and filing is relatively simple. But, unlike other platforms, it may not fully automate the filing process, meaning you might have to take a few extra steps when submitting returns, especially if you operate across multiple states. The ninth thing is ease of setup. Taxify is user-friendly, but some users report that the initial setup can be a bit tedious, particularly if you have complex tax settings or are new to tax automation. This is something to consider if you're comparing to more plug-and-play options out there. The 10th thing is the scalability of the software. Taxify is designed to grow with your business, but large enterprises might find more robust solutions in platforms like Avalara. If you're planning on scaling quickly, it's important to consider if Taxify can keep up with your future needs. Next, let's talk about integrations. Taxify integrates with several major e-commerce platforms, but it doesn't have as many third-party integrations as competitors. For some businesses, this might be a limitation, especially if you use niche platforms that require more customization. The 12th and final thing to know is Taxify's flexibility. It supports different sales tax rates and exemptions for specific products, making it adaptable for many types of businesses. However, for highly complex tax environments, you may need to look at solutions like Avalara, which offers even more flexibility. In conclusion, Taxify by Sovos is a solid option for small to medium-sized businesses with relatively straightforward sales tax needs. However, if you require more advanced features or superior integrations, you might want to explore other options. If you're looking for a better solution with a free trial, check out our recommended sales tax software, which could provide a more robust solution for your business needs.